I've been a hosted services user now at the firm for 15 years on different services. I'm very comfortable with NetDocuments security, and they have a high level of security, and we have a high level of confidence in the security they provide us.
I know with NetDocuments I don't have to worry about storage. I don't have to worry about upgrading my server, getting a new server every couple of years to be sure that my documents are that my document server is not going to crash on me.
It really just takes the complexity of a document management system out of the equation. It's very simple and straightforward. Pretty much every lawyer here is used to being on the internet, used to using different web pages, whether it's Amazon or Google or doing legal research. And NetDocuments, at the end of the day, is not that much different than that. It's really opening up your web browser, pointing and clicking, navigating around, and that was really a key factor for us.
One of the things that I was a little bit concerned about when I came to Parr was technology. I think anybody that is a little bit younger is concerned about technology, wants technology to work pretty seamlessly with their life, and from my perspective, iManage didn't meet those needs. When I came to the firm, I learned iManage and tried to use it, but the functionality just wasn't there. I often was frustrated with searching capabilities. If you didn't know the exact name of documents, then you were sort of hung out to dry, and there wasn't a lot you could do about it.
Everybody talks about the search functionality, and that's really been a home run for us as well. In terms of just being able to type in some keywords into one single bar on the web page, quickly finding your document, and then from there, once you do your initial search, there's several different ways to really narrow that down and kind of target in on exactly what you're looking for.
We made the decision to implement NetDocuments. We moved to a cloud-based system, and working from home has been so much easier than it was with iManage. I can log on from anywhere. I log directly onto the NetDoc system. I can access my documents. I can work on them just as if I was at my office. The interface is exactly the same. It looks the same, and it's easy to access those.
I came across NetDocuments primarily initially as looking at hosted solutions as a way of taking care of our backups and getting that disaster recovery solution in place, and very quickly discovered it solved a lot of issues for us also on the document management side.
One of the reasons that I think we've seen success with NetDocuments is because there's a certain level of flexibility that we didn't have with our old document management system, whereas things were kind of set in stone. This was your application that you were working with. You really didn't have any way to customize that application. NetDocuments really gives you the opportunity to customize the product so that it really meets your workflow, and at the end of the day, that increases productivity for our lawyers.
We've been pretty happy with our NetDocuments experience. It gives us the portability we want. It also gives us the flexibility to share documents and to share collections of documents with our co-counsel and with our clients, and we use that rather effectively around here.
I feel much more comfortable knowing that I've got a team at NetDocuments that's there making sure that their servers are secure, and knowing that they have a lot of other people that they answer to as well. Bigger law firms, financial services firms, and the like, that really want to make sure that their documents and their information are secure. So I take comfort in the fact that I've got other people with more resources who are looking out for the security of my documents and making sure I have access to them all the time.
NetDocuments was great as far as having on-site support, and the only thing I really noticed was someone came by and borrowed my computer for 30 minutes, and then it was done. And then they sat down and trained me on NetDocuments, and I was ready to go, and I love it.